What's up guys? I'm gonna teach you in today's tutorial how to upload video to Loom account. Make sure to watch the video till the end to not miss any steps. So in order for it to work, you have to have the paid version and it's about $20 per month. And if you have the free version, you don't have the option to upload the videos. But if you have the paid version and you wanna upload a video onto Loom, what you're gonna do is click on my library button on the left side of the screen and you'll see all the videos that you already have. Then click on the new video button on the top right corner of the screen. You will see a drop down menu and you want to click on upload a video. And now press on browse files and upload it directly from your PC. So once you grab the video, you're gonna see it on the top left corner of the square. And you can add more videos by clicking on the add more button on the top right corner of the screen. And now click on the purple upload file button on the bottom left corner of the screen, and after some couple seconds your screen will refresh and it will appear right in the middle. And that's all.